So, 8 scammers extradited yesterday. But I'm hearing that they want to send 500 more.
Okay.
Here it is on the front page. 500 more wanted. U.S. warns of wave of extradition requests. As 8 Jamaicans are sent to stand trial for scamming. 500 more. So 8 went yesterday. Couple women, and I'm almost certain I read that there was a mother-son involved in this one, or
yeah,
or
and one of the sons is already incarcerated or on trial in the United States, and the mother's son yesterday went as well. And this gentleman here, well, he's gone, is a constable.
Yeah, a police officer.
Yeah.
They have been indicted on 1 count of conspiracy and attempting to commit wire fraud, 48 counts of wire fraud, 15 counts of mail fraud, and 1 count of money laundering in the state of North Dakota. That's in the United States.
Right.
Handcuffs and shackles. This says they appeared to be in good spirits and were observed happily smiling and chatting to each other.
Jesus, that a nervousness must take them. And then people nervous and that kind of thing.
Authorities allege that the sophisticated schemes built more than 70 most elderly Americans out of more than US $5.6 million. Apparently they're saying somebody named Willox is the mastermind. And Delia Hunter, who is the mother of Willox. The alleged founding father and mastermind. Delia.
Hunter. Hunter. And if me want to pick them, if me pick me couldn't hold enough for Arab people, never. Let me just make that clear.
If you're one of the 500.
No. But.
You see Marvin a point for you.
Marvin can't point. I didn't want 1 point. Because next time we're in here, we see some
Listen,
man coming in a jacket and draw you where we know why you got.
Hi, God.
But, you know, this is a very serious thing though, people. You know?
Crazy.
And most of this scamming affects the elderly. And this is what disturbs me the most. Because Jamaica, I don't know, Jamaica used to have some principles both way. Roddy, I don't know where those have gone. Jamaica was the place for respect old people. And true. Anywhere else, Jamaica is a place to respect old people. So when we start now go rob old people, and them, come on, man. No. 500 more, no? Stop it. Stop it. You see that plane they were left yesterday? More is coming. Don't be on the plane. Stop it.
All right, and speaking about going to the United States, the U.S., they proposed remittance tax.
See it, yeah?
And it says Jamaica to be affected. So it could cost more for remittances to be sent to Jamaica. And the bill, which is being cited as the Border Wall Funding Act of 2017, proposes to tax remittances to Jamaica and 41 other countries in Latin America and the Caribbean. So Sir Donald...
That's right, Mr. Chump.
Sir Donald wants to use this tax to pay for the wall.
So how
we get involved?
Good. You see when people are telling about vote and whatever, I mean, see someone in Jamaica, I don't know why Jamaican people are getting involved in US politics. How does it affect us? See that come here now? Because all the lily summer money and back to school money, Mr. Trump said take out some figure build this wall, which none of we now go cross it. Cannot cross it. It's between him and Mexico. I don't know Jamaica and I got Mexico. We get to the United States.
They said Jamaicans sent about US $2 billion in remittances. If that level is kept up, they would pay close to US $40 million in remittance tax.
Mr. Trump, it's not easy though. Oh, God. The Caribbean, you know, so we're poor and we don't have it. We're poor and we don't have it and we're going to build the wall.
All right. Next one now. How much ESPN people employ?
Lord Jesus, I never know ESPN employs so much people.
100 on-air personalities, writers.
Well, the prompter says 10. Is it 10 or is it 100?
They say 100.
They say 100 too?
It's there. ESPN is laying off about 100 employees, including former athletes turned broadcasters. Trent Dilfer, I did like Dilfer. But they say they are losing viewership is the reason. He says the company wants to provide distinctive content all the time on multiple screens with more personality-oriented sports center broadcasts, and is keeping people best suited to the new strategy. Whoa. Plenty of them. Hockey, soccer, baseball, basketball, football. Yeah. That's Dilfer right there. I mean, like Dilfer.
They say they're not saying who's been fired, but many are releasing the news on social media. Yep. Last year, they had a bigger layoff affecting 300 workers. Well, in 2015, sorry. But they spared on-air talent. But this time around, them say, no. It's something, never. I was at an event and somebody was performing and everybody took out their cell phones and they were recording the performance. And I thought to myself, how does this help the performer? Because it means you can't go someplace else then but perform the same thing. Because everybody don't have it already on Facebook. And then as a performer, it's hard for somebody to put on a show and say, come see Landia, because I can just go up on Facebook
and see Landia.
So, you know, we have to start have some laws to protect people and them. Because like ESPN now, people, they have football and some people feel them not have it, pay money again.